problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ubah Paul lang do uli thoro baga kanhun menteri kala menjer ka Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy arhajar arpusan da gajing thumu ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kom ka cakap pedeng ban shnagi film hakat hanch telam mi. Ulong bag sarkar kala pelat pat ba ka draft Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy arhajar arpusan balapa ni gajing ajing mut ni kinhuan bat barok ke badan bentah ka nega kam ba kliyo pediang ars pa atli gajing ajing mut bat lapendrung lang ni gajing ajing mut hakan nega policy. Ubah poleng do ulong bag sarkar ka kuak ban penslur ya gejing penmi film ka kedan national but international baru ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kom ka jaka ban china film hakat hanch telam mi bat ban tei gejing tei kebedan kam ka leng kejela nalor kania ulong bag sarkar kan sathaw ka film facilitation cell ban wanra ya gejing trailang hapadang kitnat ka sarkar ban kentio ya ka Meghalaya kom ka jaka ka pabyang tam ban china film ha ka kedan regional national ne international.
Again, this is a landmark decision. I'm glad to share with you that the Cabinet today has approved the Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025. You may recall that about 3 months back, the state government, in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister and myself, had released the Meghalaya Draft Film Tourism Policy 2025, where we had given a clarion call to all stakeholders to come forward, study the draft, and give us their valuable inputs. We are happy to share with you that we received over 200 such inputs from various stakeholders who are interested in the film industry, and more especially from local film makers and film producers. So, having taken the various inputs and incorporated the same in this policy, today we brought the policy before the cabinet. There was a very detailed and intense discussion, after which the cabinet had approved this policy. Now, in the first place, why was there a need for this policy? The Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy seeks to focus on the fact that Meghalaya has huge potential to attract filmmakers from across the world. We would like to promote national and international films, media productions, also to establish Meghalaya as a hub for film making in the Northeast, and to develop a robust infrastructure for across the state. Now, as part of this policy, we have structured an agency to be called a Film Facilitation Cell, which will include representatives and officers from various agencies and departments, where the Department of Tourism, Arts and Culture, DIPR, will synergize their efforts and ensure that we are able to work in tandem to project Meghalaya as a major destination for movies, both regional, national, and even international. So we will share these details with you. We can go through the policy, but briefly, what we have decided is to incentivize filmmaking in Meghalaya, where various slabs of movies will receive support through subsidies. For instance, I'll just give you one example where films made in major national languages and even international languages, which have the potential to push Meghalaya's tourism sector, will receive subsidy support of up to 1 crore rupees or 25% of the total cost of the film. And to qualify for that, they need to have at least 75% of the total shooting days within the state of Meghalaya, and that too outdoors, meaning they should depict, project our natural beauty and tourism destinations, both known and unknown. For anybody, as I mentioned, we are supporting local filmmakers uh, to the tune of 50 lakhs for each movie made in local indigenous languages, and each such filmmaker will avail incentive once every 2 years. Meaning this 50 lakhs, the amount of 50 lakhs will be accessible to that filmmaker once every 2 years to the same filmmaker. In the category of national and international films, in order for filmmakers to be eligible, they have to have at least 75% of the total shooting days of the movie within Meghalaya. And that also has to be outdoor. I mean, not in some hotel, not in some resort, for the obvious reason that we want to depict Meghalaya and its natural beauty to the outside world.